You know, grab a little something for him, you feel me?
Put this shit up upside down. They did this shit on purpose.
PK, Porsche Kev, man. PK Networks, man. I told you, man. Kutakana from Babylon, man. AKA, some will call it America. Gotta escape from America. Y'all remember to like, subscribe, bro. Undercover boss, we in the way. Hey, look at this racist white dude right here. Hey, what's up with you, bro? How you doing?
Oh, good morning, Kevin.
Hey, you know,